the best simple video editor and maker out there, which I can use today. I'm going to show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, very simple layout. And here you have the video editing option, you have the photo editing option, and this is the photo editing option. So at the top here, you can tap on the crown icon to pretty much go and subscribe to your subscription. Here you can see what we're getting and all the features that comes with their subscription. So if you do want a free trial from this application, do make sure to enable, as you can see here, 7 days free trial, and tap on this option here where it says free trial. Gives you 7-day free trial. So do make sure to enable this feature down here, the 7-day trial for a yearly. So you get the 7 days free trial, then start paying $14 here. So very easy application to use. Let's say you're going to edit a video using this application. Have to do it, just tap on the video option. If you don't have anything in mind or you're not editing anything here, you can go in the material section. Let's say you want a video intro, you can find it here. You can find a video outro as well. You can find transition here. A lot of stuff can be found here. These are not really like videos, just things that you can add to your videos when you're making them. With your green screen here as well. You have a lot of things that you can use when you're editing your videos. So that's really pretty much it. Nothing much for the editing option there as well. Nothing much for this application. It's just simple, basic, and straightforward. So yeah, if I miss anything in this application tutorial, over here in the settings option here, you have a video option where you do get to select whichever resolution you want to export the video in. I do recommend setting it to the highest, get the better quality. Also, you can change the frame rate as well. So that's the only option which you get to set whichever resolution you want to export your video on. And yeah, that's it. So if I missed anything, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next one.